So now we have to take out this thing for the inside cabin filter for the air ventilation system. So there are screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4 the other side. There's also 2 screws here. There's like a groove, 1 screw there, and there's another one. This tab is broken. So once you're done, you take that thing off. Afterwards, you need to remove these cover here. One is for the ECM, the other side is for the master cylinder for the brake system. So this, you need to push this tab. There's a tab here that you need to flip right here. It's hard to see, but let's try to see it from the other side. You'll see it on the other side there. There's a tab there that you gotta lift. So you flip it here. This one here, what I do typically is I take a screwdriver, because it's a hard one to be able to lift. So you go here like that, like that. You just do that with the screwdriver. That's done. You can take this off. Once you did the 2 sides, there is this electrical connector here. You need to unplug. And then this thing was clipped here. So with the screwdriver, gently you unclip that. The other one on the rear also, there's two clip device there. Put that aside to protect it when you close the hood. Once you're done with the both sides, the other side is let me show you. It's a different thing. It doesn't have this wire connected. It's got something, but it's a bit different. So take this off. Same thing here. Tab on that side doesn't want to cooperate. You take the screwdriver. There we go. Okay, this connector here, same thing. It's got a tab that was right here. There's another tab that is here. Set the wire aside safely. I can put it there. Okay, then you need to take off this thing here. This thing is there's a screw right here at both ends. One here and one all the way on the other hand. Once it's unscrewed, this thing, there's a rubber here that is clipped all around. So you just try to pull that off gently, lift it, pull this. From both sides. Oh, there's also these rubber tab here you need to take off. So this is going to give you a bit of access to the engine compartment. What I did also is I put some tape for boxes to protect box to enter the ventilation system. Also the upper one, because I cannot do it in one strip. My tape was not wide enough. So the upper one is over the bottom one, so if there's water it should not enter this thing, because it's going to be a long project, so it's good to seal the deal. I like to seal things up so no bugs or no mice or whatever, because it's outside sometime. So I put rags in there just to plug the holes of that thing to don't get any surprise. Okay, so now we need to remove the engine cover. That is kind of easy. I don't think it needs explanation. You got screws here, both front, one on the rear, somewhere here on the side. It's hard to see, but you'll figure it out, and the one on the top. So this is going to give us access, so we need to remove that thing. Now it's unscrewed. So I'm going to take my 2 hands, it's going to be easier to remove that.